Hi, my name is Jake Schweikart, and I am a first year at the Lindner College of Business studying operations management. If you're interested in improving how businesses operate, solving complex problems, and making organizations more efficient, the operations management major could be the perfect fit for you. This major focuses on how businesses design and manage processes to run efficiently. You'll learn how organizations allocate resources, manage inventory, schedule projects, and improve overall performance to stay competitive. The program builds a strong business foundation while developing key operational skills. You'll study topics like supply chain management, project and quality management, operations planning, and service operations, giving you a well-rounded understanding of how businesses function behind the scenes. Through hands-on coursework and real-world experiences, you'll develop skills like problem-solving, decision-making, teamwork, and leadership, all preparing you to tackle real business challenges. If you're analytical, detail-oriented, and want to make businesses run more efficiently, the operations management major could set you up for a successful and impactful career.